my wonderful people. It's your favorite chef in the house, JoJo's Cuisine. Today, I want to teach you guys how to prepare spaghetti jollof. Follow me to my kitchen.
Okay, now welcome to my kitchen once again. First thing first, I don't wash my hand off camera. Wetin we go need to take prepare this wonderful spaghetti jollof. We go need pepper, tomato, shombo, tatashe, everything for one corner. We go need onion, we go need vegetables. The vegetables where you go need go be spring onion, green pepper, carrots. We go need that one. We go need salt, we go need seasoning cube, your meat stock, your tomato paste, the spaghetti itself. Now everything wey we go need to prepare this food be this. Oh yeah, now make I blend my pepper before nepa go seize light. I don put my pepper and tatashe everything, tomatoes inside blender, onion sef join inside, blend. I don blend. I no wan make it too smooth so that I go still dey scatter small. I don pour am for one corner. For here, I don put my water for fire. And wetin we go need this water for na for the spaghetti. I put vegetable oil inside so that by the time I put my spaghetti, the spaghetti no go dey too sticky. E no go dey gum together. E no go dey sticky. Na the reason why I pour vegetable oil inside be that. Make the water boil. Your water need to boil well before you introduce your spaghetti inside. For this part, I don dey dice my vegetables so that when we need them, we no go dey find am up and down. I don dice my carrot, my green pepper, my spring onion. Don slice the onion. Now the tomato paste dey size me for one corner there. So for this side, I don pour the spaghetti inside the boiling water, make it cook. You need to cook your spaghetti, but you no go let am too done or like 80% cooked. Okay, now for one corner, I don put the saucepan wey go take prepare the sauce for the spaghetti jollof. I don put in my sliced onion, don put in the onion, the fry. Put the tomato paste inside, fry and stir everything together. When you notice say your tomato paste done, you no go dey slap for mouth. You go come pour your pepper mix inside as if say you wan cook stew. Go stir am together, leave am make e dey cook for one corner. For there, I don go check the spaghetti don done. I don sieve the water comot. We no need the water, na just the spaghetti we need. For here, inside the stew, this way dey fire, I don put in my seasoning cube, my curry powder, my maggi, everything. Don put am inside the blended pepper, make everything cook together. For here, I don dey pour all my vegetables inside. Don pour the carrot, the green peas, the green pepper and everything together inside the stew. Make everything simmer together well. If you notice, I no pour all the vegetables inside. You now go see wetin I go use the remaining one do later. At this point, I don introduce my cooked spaghetti inside. I don pour am. Una remember say we no too cook the spaghetti done. Na because say spaghetti go still done, because frying sef na another method of cooking. So in the process of mixing everything together, make the pepper, the everything dey fry together, the spaghetti sef dey done. Na the remaining vegetable be this. I don pour am inside so that everything no go too soft. E go still dey a little bit crunchy. I don mix everything together. Mix. Una see say the spaghetti no dey sticky and it's not soggy. Oh yeah, spaghetti done ready. Make una come chop.